Look at this. You're gonna dump it. Now there's milk everywhere. Help her with her spoon.
You're a bitch.
She got one.
She did, and then it fell. Oh, wait. Oh, she got a couple. Wait. Oh, there she goes. She got
All right,
it.
now put it in your mouth now. You have no hands.
The milk is dumping. The milk is dumping.
You have no hands. Don't lose it.
No!
She just dumped it.
I dump milk, I dump cereal everywhere.
You're gonna starve to death like that. Come on.
I can't take it. Plain DS is much more easier up my toes. It's too dexterous. Stop. I'm failing at life. Why are you recording this?
Because you know what I would have done?
Throw it in your mouth.
Done.
Do you quit?
Yes, I
All right.
quit.